is your audition report. Now, why audition report? This audition report will state you that where are you right now and what trainings and improvements you required after performing challenge rounds and everything. So what kind of trainings you must be required, all those audition reports will state you everything. और ये आपको ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट विद इन 24 आवर्स और 48 आवर्स में आपके पास आ जाएगी. एंड this platform will also give you several other business opportunities as many other things. So you will get to know everything one by one. Okay? So let's get started with your ramp walk first. So I request you, all of you, to stand up, start with your ramp walk, mute yourself. All together I want. Everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am, if I could say something.
Yes, sure.
I have an injury in my leg. I already informed
you already informed us, so don't worry. I request everyone, rest of them.
All right, thank you so
much. Okay, start with Ruchika, the name with Manogya, Priyanka. Jayashree, please make your video visible. Yasmin, Divyani, please stand up and please start with your ramp walk. भारती, आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं रैंप वॉक से. I guess Manogya is not present. Divyani, you can adjust your camera and start with your ramp walk. Rajni as well.
मैम ये कैमरा हेलो
यस रजनी बोलिए.
मैम ये कैमरा विजिबल नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब कैसे?
देयर इज एन आइकन, नीचे आइकन है स्टार्ट वीडियो का, उस पे क्लिक करो एंड म्यूट कर लो.
मैम नहीं हो रहा वहां से.
नीचे स्टार्ट वीडियो का आइकन नहीं दे रखा आपको?
मैम वहां से हो नहीं रहा स्टार्ट, बट
आपने उस पे क्लिक किया?
हाँ जी.
Okay, I request everyone जिसका ramp walk हो जाए, please sit back, relax, one by one after you did your ramp walk. Rajni, why don't you do one thing? आप अपनी दूसरे डिवाइस से कनेक्ट हो जाइए, लिंक से वापस से एनरोल हो जाइए. नो वरी. I guess there is an issue, so we will get back to her. Okay, I request Priyanka to start. Okay, so everyone done with your ramp walk? Most of you have done with your ramp walk. No worries.
No, ma'am, I'm not. And actually, my internet is creating some problem.
Connect with the different device, please.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's done.
Yes, Priyanka, you may sit back, relax.
Okay, okay.
Divyani, you may start. You're visible to us. Okay, so there is a network issue. I guess most of you are facing the network issue due to the heavy rain. Okay, no worries. We can start with an introduction and then we can have proceed with the ramp walk. Okay, starting with an introduction, I just said that your introduction should be very short and compiled, and it should include your name, age, hobbies, and why you wanted to win the crown, right? So be sure about winning the crown, be sure about your hobbies, Keep smiling, and over to you, Harry ma'am. She will be taking your introduction.
Thank you so much, Shefali. Thank you so much for letting me be here. And welcome, ladies. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you are doing good. And look at you guys. You look extremely lovely. And like Shefali has already emphasized, please keep smiling. You have such beautiful faces, and I'm sure that you are here to leave a mark with your first audition. So welcome to Forever Star India, and let's get to know you guys, because there's only one thing that I would like to address before we start. Please do not be nervous. You are unique, interesting individuals, and we are here just to know more about you people. And I can already see the confidence exuberating across the screen. So let's get started. And I am really excited. So let's start with Garima first. Hi, Garima. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
I am
evening.
Garima Saxena, and I'm a last year architecture student. And you already asked us to prepare an introduction. So here I go with the short introduction. So I'm immensely passionate about my work, whatever I do. Likewise, I'm an architecture student. So otherwise, now I'm looking forward to be into this modeling field, as I have experienced a little bit of ramp walk event in my college journey. And I have some other hobbies as well. Like I paint canvas, and I have this portrait sketching, and even I have gifted those to some of my family and friends. And I have a moderate experience in Bharatnatyam and initial level belly dance as well. So I'm very much confident about speaking in front of people, as I have done many anchoring shows and many kind of postings in my college as well, with a good charm on my face. So I am really inspired by the Lakme Supermodel of the Year show, which is on MTV actually. So I'm looking for that thing. Professionally, I am being an architect, but my passion is modeling. So I would really see myself into next few years into this modeling.
You absolutely nailed your introduction, and I can see that you are very well prepared. So thank you so much, Garima. It was a pleasure to know some details about you, and I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value to our platform as well. Thank you so much, and I shall move forward, and I shall get back to you in a while. All right. So let's hear from Ruchika. Hi, Ruchika. Your username says "Be Fit with Ruchika Jain." That's interesting. So let's hear it from you. I hope you are doing good. Please start with your introduction.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Greetings, everyone. I am Ruchika Jain. I am from Punjab and I am 23 years old. I have completed my master's with commerce and specialization in marketing and human resource management. And I have completed PG diploma in yoga and also pursuing for 280C course of Shri Shri School of Yoga. And I am here to present and to prove myself. And I would like to thank FSIIA who gave me the opportunity. I believe in that if you follow your passion, success will definitely follows you. And thank you so much, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Ruchika. Now tell me, what do you enjoy as an individual? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are cooking, dancing, listening music, and traveling.
All right. And what do you aspire from this platform? Why do you want to be here? And where do you see yourself 5 years down the lane after you win the crown?
I want to prove myself. So that's why I'm here.
Okay, makes complete sense. Thank you so much, Ruchika. It was lovely hearing from you, and I shall move forward to the one with the username जिनका contact number display हो रहा है, black V-neck पहना हुआ है. Can you please unmute yourself? Yeah, that's you. Hi,
Good
can I please have your name?
I am Aarti Bingi.
Hi, Aarti. How are you?
I'm nice, ma'am. How about you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. So let's start with the introduction.
Yes, ma'am. I am from Aarti. I am Aarti Bingi. I am from Ahmednagar. When my age is 28. My hobbies is singing, reading motivational books. Currently, I am working with Infosys. This is my first audition. I never ever give any audition. So
That's okay. This is my first time meeting you, so it's one-on-one. मैं भी आपको पहली बार मिल रही हूँ. I am also equally nervous. So tell me, why are you here? Why do you want to join Forever Star India?
because it is my dream and I want to prove myself. I always self-doubt. So I want to over that doubts कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ आगे, क्योंकि मुझे छोटे छोटे डाउट्स रहते हैं, तो मैं खुद को इम्प्रूव करना चाहती हूँ और खुद को और ज्यादा आगे देखना चाहती हूँ.
एब्सोल्युटली, आपको डाउटफुल होने की जरूरत नहीं है. आज आपने पहला स्टेप कंप्लीट कर लिया है. सिटिंग अक्रॉस अ स्ट्रेंजर एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ करेज एंड यू लुक एब्सोल्युटली ब्यूटीफुल. आई लव्ड हाउ यू हैव एक्सेसराइज्ड. So thank you so much, Aarti, and I shall move forward. I'll get back to you in a while. So let's hear it from Priyanka now. Hi, Priyanka.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
All right.
My name is, hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Priyanka Mishra. I am from Mumbai. I'm living in Dombivli with my family. I graduated in Commerce side from SM Shetty College. Nowadays, I'm doing my certificate course in fashion designing from NIFT Mumbai. And why I'm choose this show, actually, I don't know, because it's my childhood dream. And ऐसा लगा कि I have to do at least once, so that's why I choose. And right now I'm totally blank. I don't know what can I say that.
Do not have to be nervous.
Yeah, and
yeah. So you're to become a model or to wear that crown? I want to know. Okay, it's okay. If you
actually, I felt I'm an ambivert kind of person, but I'm not a perfect. I want to improve myself. In the past, I did some modeling assignment and dance show acting, but in a theater in a college days. After a long time, it's my dream. I want to become a model and some crown because for me, parents, yeah.
Okay, from what you have told me, I can pretty much say that you enjoy fashion designing since you are into NIFT. And are there any other hobbies that you enjoy as an individual?
Yes, I love to do traveling and listen to music and do some creativity related thing and like painting and all and makeup, shopping, all these things.
Okay. So Priyanka, have a glass of water. We are done with the audition and you have passed the exam. So I shall just move forward. Don't worry. Okay. So please अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए and let me hear it from Manogya. Hi, Manogya.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking.
Actually, you just made me really nervous. I thought you are one of the participants. I was like, shit. Oh my God. So, first of all, I am really nervous because I think I'm the youngest competitor in this. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Ghaziabad. My full name is Manogya Handa. I am recently waiting for my result. Getting into college, that result. So, first of all, yeah, my name is Manogya. I'm from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. I'm waiting for getting into a college, and I have a lot of hobbies such as dancing, singing, doing gymnastics, yoga, theater, dance. My mom and dad were in the field of art. My biggest inspiration to do this pageant was my dad. He was a model in his times, so he actually inspired me a lot. I am not wishing for any crown or something, but I just want my personality, my talent, overall personality, and need to know how people compete in such field. So yeah, thank you, your team, to give me such an opportunity to develop myself.
Thank you, Manogya. Thank you. It's
Thank
an
you, ma'am.
absolute pleasure to have you here. And it's okay. Age should never be a number, be it big or small. And you are going to equally add a lot of value, like I mentioned, like all these other women around. So, you don't have to be nervous at all. You look extremely beautiful. And I'm sure that you're going to, groom yourself even further. And I'm going to see a different Manogya 4 months down the way. So thank you so much. And let's hear it from Bharti now. Hi, Bharti. भारती आप म्यूट पे हैं, आप प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
Hello, now it's audible.
Yes, you are audible. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. Good evening, all pretty ladies and girls. So my name is Mrs. Bharti. I'm from Visakhapatnam. I have done my graduation and hospital administration from Mumbai. After marriage, I relocated to Visakhapatnam. And my husband, we are handling my husband's business actually. So we are into firefighting consultant and contractors. So apart from I worked almost I'm having 10 years experience in my past life. So my hobbies is gardening and cooking and reading books.
Okay. And Bharti, what brings you here? I am sure that you have a lot of experience already. So what brings you here? Why do you wish to join Forever Star India?
Here, yeah, this is my second time. I'm trying for this Cron. Earlier, I applied for the Mrs. Visakhapatnam. I tried, so I couldn't get over there. So I tried again. I want to prove myself. So to represent my city, so that's the reason I'm here. So to learn something new with new participants and all. So that's the reason again I'm trying here.
Okay, okay. Interesting. And let me just tell an interesting fact here, Bharti. You would be absolutely representing your city because we're going to go step by step.
Exactly.
State winners and national level winners. So there's not going to be just one winner, but a whole lot number who will be crowned in the grand finale, which we will be talking about in the end. So
yeah,
thank
sure,
you,
ma'am.
It was an absolute pleasure talking to you, and I shall move forward and get back to you.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much. Same to you.
So
have a nice day.
From you two, have a lovely evening ahead. So let's hear
yes,
it from
ma'am.
Divyani. Hi, Divyani.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Atka hua hai. Can you please move a little so that the network doesn't buffer? If it's a problem, we can continue the same way also, not an issue.
I'm just looking.
Sure. Okay, by the time Divyani joins in, we can move forward and get back to her in a while. So, Jayashri. Hi, Jayashri. I hope I have pronounced your name right. Please let me know. Can you please unmute yourself?
Sorry, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay.
मैं उड़ीसा से बिलोंग करती हूँ, कटक सिटी से, और मैं मैरिड हूँ 33 इयर्स ओल्ड में, और मेरा एक बेबी भी है, और मैं इसीलिए पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ। मुझे खुद के लिए कुछ करना था और दिखाना भी था, तो बिफोर मैरिज मेरा बहुत ड्रीम था, टाइम नहीं हुआ, और अभी मैं इसीलिए पार्टिसिपेट। थैंक यू फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एवर मिस इंडिया। थैंक यू सो मच।
ठीक है जयाश्री, बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के कि आप फाइनली अपना ड्रीम पूरा कर रही हैं। अब मुझे ये बताइए
ओके मैम,
तो आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या हैं?
मेरा हॉबीज डांसिंग है और कुकिंग है।
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आई एम श्योर बहुत मौके आएंगे आगे टैलेंट राउंड में आपका डांस देखने के लिए।
श्योर मैम।
All right, Jayashri, thank you for keeping it very short and crisp, and I shall move forward. You have a lovely smile, by the way.
Thank you.
So I shall hear it from Prajna. Hi, Prajna. Again, if I'm mispronouncing your name, please let me know. I'm not very sure about how.
It's okay. I'm Pragya from Odisha.
Okay, आपके username पे Prajna लिखा है इसलिए. Thank you for correcting though. Hi, Pragya. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. Please proceed with your introduction.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Pragya Priyadashini from Odisha. I'm a BDS student by profession and a poet by heart. My hobbies are like acting, dancing, and modeling also. My family is my inspiration, and basically my father is my inspiration. I'm inspired a lot from him, and just all about me. I'm a little bit nervous.
It's okay, you don't have to be nervous. जैसे कि मनोज्ञा ने मुझे participant समझ लिया था, आप लोग मुझे अपना friend समझ सकते हैं, not an issue. I am not going to judge you for that matter. So Pragya, tell me one thing that I am sure कि आपने सबसे पहले acting बोला जब मैंने आपकी hobby पूछी, So, I need to know that do you want to become an actor 5 years down the lane?
No, ma'am, not actually.
Okay, so
But
what?
it's just passion. Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, आप फिर क्या एस्पिरेशन लेके आई हैं फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया के पे?
मैम मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपके पास कुछ है, मतलब लोग आपको जानते हैं, तो देन आपको ही फॉलो करेंगे। अगर आप एक मतलब नॉर्मल होके कुछ भी बोलेंगे तो लोग आपको फॉलो नहीं करेंगे। अगर आप कुछ हो, मतलब आप कुछ भी हो जाते हैं या कुछ भी आप अचीव कर लेते हैं, देन आप कुछ भी बोलो लोगों को, वो आपको फॉलो कर लेते हैं। तो इसलिए मैं चाहती हूँ कि फॉरएवर मिस इंडिया में कुछ।
ओके, लेकिन आप प्रोफेशन वाइज 5 साल में अपने आप को कहाँ देखती हैं? व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बिकम? दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू नो।
टू बी ए गुड डॉक्टर।
डॉक्टर, इंटरेस्टिंग। आप तो काफी प्लेथोरा ऑफ टैलेंट लेके आए हैं यहाँ पे, एक्टर, मॉडलिंग, डांसिंग, एंड देन यू वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर। वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। थैंक यू सो मच प्रज्ञा। एंड जस्ट टू कंफर्म, आपका नाम प्रज्ञा है, राइट? Yeah, okay. So thank you so much. And let's hear it from Srushti. Hi, Srushti. The participant who's wearing red. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
You're
how
so
are you?
beautiful. You're so beautiful, ma'am.
Thank you so much. How sweet. So, Srushti, tell me now, since you have worn red, I am assuming कि आपका confidence थोड़ा extra होगा. So,
Yes.
give me your introduction, please.
Ma'am, my name is Srushti and I am Indian. I am from Nasik. And my hobbies, I love dancing, acting, modeling, and photo shoot also.
Okay. And why do you want to win the crown? Why are you here on Forever Star India today?
Because I love that modeling, that crown, and I have so many attraction of that field.
Okay, makes absolute sense. Thank you so much, Srushti, for letting me know.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
You too. Have a lovely evening ahead. So let's hear it from Yasmin now, the one with the very beautiful hair. Hi, Yasmin. How are you?
Hey, hi. Good evening. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Actually, I was very worried. Nobody was coming as a Mrs. So one of, I think I don't know her name. So when she came, then I was okay. Finally, I'm in the stage where Mrs. is also there. Okay, so I can just introduce myself. My name is Yasmin, and I'm a mother of one kid. He is 5 years old, and I'm not doing any job as of now. I'm a housewife. Earlier, I was doing job in IT company before my childbirth, but I just quit my job for him because it's important to, you can understand if you're a mother. Are you married?
No, I am not a mother yet. I just completed my post-graduation, but
sorry for that. I'm married means it's been 8 years. I've completed my married. As a married woman, I've completed 8 years. So from last year, I can say I have developed some kind of fashion sense. Means I love just makeup, fashion, and I also have an ID on Insta. So in that, I started doing makeup and making reels. And people are liking my videos, and also I thought to give a chance, I can just go on this kind of field and explore myself, and also want to know about me. Does people like me, or that's it. And my hobby is to do makeup, make reels, fashion. That's it. That's why I'm here. Fashion industry. I just want to go in the fashion industry and bump it, rock it.
Makes complete sense, Yasmin. And I just want to tell you one thing, that you do not have to seek anybody's validation to like you. You are a beautiful human indeed, and you are already a mother. So that makes you, a superwoman by default. So thank you so much for telling me about yourself. And I shall move forward to Kamya. Hi, Kamya.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, so I'd like to introduce myself. So this is Kamya. I have completed my master's from Delhi School of Business, and before that I have done BCom. So the passion part, I just like go for photo shoots. I like dressing up. I like watching good movies, good contents. So yeah, mixture of things. Apart from that, particular things that I love driving. I love dancing. I love cooking. I love spending time with my pet. And so yeah, that's about me.
Okay, so what brings you here, Kamya? Why do you want to win the crown? Why are you here on Forever Star India?
I'm here to, show the style, the trends, the fashion enthusiast in me. I want to prove that thing because in my college days and graduation, people used to say me that you dress up really cool, you look very trendy, you like wearing things, you get up very well. So I thought maybe it could be a chance that I can enhance those skills because maybe you're not always perfect, right? So this platform would give me that chance to show up my skills. And yes, so that's why I'm here.
Makes complete sense. I understand the vibe that you are here with. So thank you so much, Kamya, for letting me know about you. I'll just request you to lower your frame little so I could see your dress.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. See, such a lovely dress you're wearing and we were missing on it. Thank you so much, Kamya.
Thank you.
I shall just move forward to the one with the username Redmi, जो black t-shirt में है. Can you please unmute yourself? जिनकी टी शर्ट पे एडिडास लिखा है, क्या आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर सकती हैं? या Hi, I can hear you now. Can I please have your name?
Yes, my name is Neha. I'm born and brought up in Rohtak. Currently, I'm working in Noida in a Capgemini, and I have done my master's in business administration in finance. Specialization is finance, and I'm fond of listening music, cooking. This is my hobbies, and I think it's a good platform where we can meet different people who are from different culture, and we can make new friends as well. So it's a very good platform for us. I have got this chance to join this. It's not my dream just only to win a crown. I just want to get experience, and I want to improve myself. I want to improve my personality, overall personality, and I want to remove my shyness. Where I can't speak in front of people, I feel shy. So I just want to improve my overall personality. This is my biggest goal for this event. And my hobbies are cooking, listening music, singing, and I think this is a good platform. There are so many women get a chance, whether they're married, unmarried, working, or studying. It's a good platform. FSIA is a good platform to give us a great chance to improve myself, to improve ourselves, and to prove ourselves. That's it.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you. You do not at all seem a shy person. You look very confident and, extremely.
Oh, thank you so much.
So thank you so much for letting me know about you. And let's hear it finally from Divyani. Hi, Divyani. I know you have been waiting for long now. So tell me something. Please go on.
Good evening, everyone present over here. My name is Divyani Chauhan and I'm 22 years old. I belong to a very famous city, that is Bareilly. I'm a software engineer by profession who has recently been graduated from Rajasthan Technical University. Now talking about my hobbies, I love dancing, I love modeling. Although I'm not a trained dancer, but dance is something that I enjoy doing. I just love dance. And that's all about me now.
Okay, so since you enjoy modeling, I'm assuming you are here to become a model, or do you have further aspirations as well?
Ma'am, I want to become a better person. I want to improve myself gradually, and I want to be the role model for some girls. And moreover, I want to break all the stereotypes because I belong to a middle class family and a small town girl. So people think that only rich girls or high profile girls can do modeling. So I want to break all those stereotypes and I want to prove the world.
Absolutely, makes complete sense, Divyani. Thank you so much. I just request.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mute yourself, yeah. All right, ladies. So this brings us to the end. Thank you so much. It was an absolute pleasure to hear from each one of you. And let me tell you, I'm sure you must have noticed by now, each one of you is so different. आप लोग एक दूसरे से इतने अलग हैं. But the one thing that binds all of you is, the passion to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाना, अपने आप को उस मुकाम तक लेके जाना where people notice you, they hear you and they take you seriously. So I don't think, there is any reason to wait to tell you guys more about the platform. But before that, congratulations on completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. It takes a lot of courage, like I mentioned, earlier, that to sit across a screen and talk to an absolute stranger about yourself. But it's a very, very beautiful process, and you all have, accomplished it very, very organically. Thank you so much about your details and about the audition today, which is your first step. After this, within 48 hours, just like Shefali had mentioned, you will be receiving an audition report from our end. Now, an audition report. Why an audition report? So no other beauty pageant has done this so far. Usually, जब भी एक audition complete होता है, you are given a yes or a no. If you have had any experience before, you might have an idea. Why an audition report is because I'm sure आज सुबह आप उठे, you were like, आज मेरा audition है. You put your, you got your best foot forward. You chose a dress, you did your makeup, and you sat across the screen. So for us, that is an effort that we need to appreciate. So the audition report will be sent to you within 48 hours, and it's just a token of appreciation from our team to validate your experience and to appreciate your effort. And that's not it. It's going to be valid for a period of lifetime, which means that आपको किसी भी year में आगे आने वाले Forever Star India के pageant में कभी भी audition के लिए नहीं बैठना पड़ेगा. It's going to be valid for a period of lifetime. That's the credibility it holds. And moving forward, now I'd request our director, a boss lady indeed, and also a mother finally, since most of you were looking for, a mother. So she's the one who is the boss lady here, and she's the project director of Forever Star India, our company. So I'd request Kirti ma'am to take over. Welcome on board, Kirti ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Hari, for the introduction, and a very good evening to all of you. Firstly, let me just tell you, I have been listening to you all. I have been looking at you all. All of you are looking so amazing, not just with the dresses that you're wearing, with the kind of makeup that you've done, but the confidence that all of you are wearing today, and the sheer elegance when you were talking about yourself. I totally love today's batch, because we are taking auditions on an everyday basis, and today I can see that most of you are so passionately talking about your aspirations. And you have a clarity in your mind that what do you really want to do. You might be from different backgrounds. We have a housewife here, we have an engineer here, we have a person who wants to be a doctor. Yeah, so we have ladies from different backgrounds, but there's only one thing that binds us all. We want to do something. We want to make a name for ourselves, and we want to mark a difference in the society, and that can only happen with one thing, and that is passion. Yeah, and that is totally dripping from the way you were talking about yourselves. And when we come to the platform, let me just tell you that this is not just a beauty pageant that you're going to be a part of. It is a lot more than that. Forever Star India is creating a huge community of like-minded women like you, right? Of strong women like you, who can motivate each other. We are here to inspire each other. We are here to help each other. So we are not going to compete against each other. Here, the competition is going to be with your own self. Aaj aap kya hai, and what are you going to be in the next 4 to 5 months? We want to see the best version of yourself, right? I could see that, you are a little hesitant, you are a little apprehensive, that people say that I'm really good at it, so I thought, why not try it? See, that's really good. Being mindful about your own capabilities is extremely good, because that's the first step of going towards something that you're passionate about. Yeah, so being mindful, that's fine, but then you need the right kind of mentors who can be there with you to guide you, to help you understand in a better way that yes, these are your strengths, these are your weaknesses. So let's work on incrementing, on magnifying your strengths. Weaknesses ko bhul jao, so strengths ko magnify karna hai, right? So that's what we're going to do here. Forever Star India is organizing Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India. So do not think कि यहाँ पे married or unmarried दोनों कैसे हैं. For unmarried females, we have Forever Miss India 2021. For married females, we have two categories, for 20 to 35 years of age, and the second category is for 36 to 50 years of age. यानी कि हम किसी को भी नहीं छोड़ना चाहते हैं. You get my point? Whether you are from any kind of financial background, you stay in a city, you stay in a village, you stay in a town, you have full freedom to participate and be here on this platform and take the expertise of 150 plus experts, which includes image consultants, makeup artists, motivational speakers, and you just name the profile and they are going to be here. We are going to groom every aspect of your personality. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आज तक आपने कभी मेकअप नहीं किया है तो आप नहीं सीखोगे. No, we are going to train you for that. And 95% of our process is virtual. Just the way you're sitting across the screen right now and appearing for your audition, in the same manner, you're going to appear for your talent rounds, you're going to appear for your training sessions, because I'm sure everybody understands that the pandemic that has been going on for a while now, we cannot risk your lives, we cannot risk trainers' lives. That is why we're doing it virtually. But that doesn't mean that your crowning bhi virtually hogi. If you become a winner at city level, if you become a winner at state level, or for that matter, you become a winner at national level, the crowning is going to happen in an online ceremony. It will be the grand finale of Forever Miss and Mrs. India. Now that means the training and grooming sessions will be online. The grand finale will be offline, which will most probably be happening in Goa or in Jaipur, depending on the situation, in December. यानी कि December तक का हमारे पास time है. As soon as you receive your audition reports, instantly we will be starting with your training sessions. Right? Once or twice a week, you will be appearing for these training sessions on the basis of your availability. If you say that I'm busy during the mornings, we will place you in a morning batch. If you say I'm busy, I'm available during the evenings, then we will be putting you up in an evening batch. ठीक है? यानी कि जब आप available हैं, आप उसी time पे अपना training session attend करेंगे. And ऐसा नहीं है कि directly आपको किसी round के लिए appear करना है. You will first be trained for that. If talent round 1 is there, then an image consultant and a motivational speaker is going to train you for that, and then you'll be appearing. That means if you're not from this background, if you're not from a modeling background, if you're not good at speaking, if you really work to if you really need to work on your self-esteem, then the team is going to help you with that, right? And then if we come to talent round 2, then a makeup artist is going to train you कि हम basic makeup कैसे कर सकते हैं. And then talent round 3 is totally about ramp walk. So I could see we really need to work onto your ramp walk. A lot of tweaking can be done. So we have ramp walk experts and pageant groomers who are going to train you about the technicalities of a ramp walk. क्या पहनना है, किस तरीके से walk करनी है, कितने zones होते हैं when you're doing a ramp walk. So that's how first you'll be trained, then you'll be appearing. यानी कि अगर अभी आप लोगों के level में काफी difference है, so we'll bring you at a common level. And then you'll be appearing for these rounds. And after that, we'll be selecting a city winner. After that, we'll be selecting a state winner and then the national winner. Now, this whole process is going to take a time period of 3 to 4 months, as I said. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ 10-15 दिन की आपकी ट्रेनिंग हो जाएगी, आप pageant के लिए appear करेंगे and over. No, we are extensively going to train and work on your personality, right? And you will yourself be able to see a vast difference. आपको खुद को एक ट्रेनिंग के बाद ही लगने लग जाएगा that this was what I was missing. You know, I really need to know myself more. And after the pageant is done, you will still be here. Your profile is going to be here because you are getting lifetime membership of Forever Star India. यानी कि आगे जो हम business opportunities की बात कर रहे हैं, because I am sure you do not want to stop here. सिर्फ pageant में appear करके आप यहाँ पे नहीं रुकना चाहते हैं, because most of you said that you are passionate about, you know, styling, your dress sense is really good, you want to act, you want to sing, you want to dance. So इन चीजों को हम actual में कब utilize करेंगे? We are going to launch our own OTT platform towards the end of 2022. OTT, everybody knows? Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar. We have been relying on these OTT platforms for quite a while now. And Forever Star India is going to launch its own OTT platform, for which we are going to give preference to our own community members. When I say this is a community, this is what I mean, that we are going to be there for each other. इस pageant में आप जीतते हैं नहीं जीतते, doesn't matter. Yeah, you will take a lot out of these training and grooming sessions. Now, what after these training and grooming sessions? We are going to give you opportunities here on this OTT platform. If you want to be an actor, if you want to be a choreographer, a singer, a script writer, or any other profile, right? So, you know, I can go on and on talking about this platform, and I'm sure it's your Saturday night. So already आपने audition की preparation में and appear करने में you put in a lot of efforts and your time. So और ज़्यादा detail में आगे बात करेंगे. Just keep your fingers crossed and wait for your audition reports. I'm sure most of you will make through today's audition. Let me know if there's anything you would want to know. कुछ भी आपको नहीं समझ में आया है, कुछ आपको process के बारे में clarity चाहिए, training के बारे में चाहिए. Please feel free to ask any questions.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay, so we'll start with Manogya first. Yes.
This is my first time I'm appearing for any beauty pageant. Are all beauty pageants so interactive? And so, I mean, I can't believe that a beauty pageant that is going to last for 4 months and I'm gonna develop my personality.
Okay, Manogya. So I would suggest do some research, you know, because if I keep boasting about my platform, तो आपको लगेगा अरे, you know, कीर्ति मैम तो सिर्फ Forever Star India कर रही हैं. So do some research. I would say there is only one difference between us and the other beauty pageants कि वो सिर्फ beauty pageant है. उनका association सिर्फ 10 दिन, 15 दिन या 1 month का होता है. Here the association is going to be forever, because in true sense, we want you to do something with your lives. Yeah. And you know, when I say that we are totally into women empowerment, so I do not say this word women empowerment a lot. We totally mean it by our actions. जब आप हमारे YouTube, Facebook and Instagram के pages check करेंगे, so you'll come to know that there have been candidates from all sorts of background who did not you know anything about modeling, जिनको pageants के बारे में भी नहीं पता था, बस वो कुछ करना चाहते थे, that you know I want to be an actor, I want to be a model. तो उनके passion की वजह से उनमें last 2 months में there has been a huge difference, right? So the only difference here is कि platform बहुत different है, right? इसको beauty pageant की तरह मत consider कीजिए, consider it as a community which we are creating, and we have to be there for each other in the coming times. Yeah, so that's what it is, Manogya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, anyone else?
If I could say something, yes. Ma'am, actually, you already mentioned learning for ramp walk as well. You will be training us. So
Yes.
I really am anxious to know, because I met with an accident 20 days ago, and I'm still healing from that injury because I have a fracture in my right leg. So where it would be like, so I would get an idea to be in this show, be on this platform.
Okay. See, Garima, your problem is you know totally genuine. Yeah, you met with an accident and you have a fracture, so obviously you cannot walk. So in this audition, we won't be considering this. Apart from your ramp walk, only your introduction part would be considered. On that basis, you will be provided with your audition report. And further, once you're fine, because talent round 3 is not going to happen instantly. Yeah, so I'm sure you'll be perfectly fine till then. Talent round 1 ke liye you can appear. Talent round 2 ke liye you can appear, and then till talent round 3, I really wish that you are perfectly fine and you can walk in those.
All right. Because it will take some time, at least 20 days, so for me to walk.
No, I completely understand. 20 days में तो अभी कुछ भी नहीं होना. 20 days में तो अभी आपकी training होगी, right? You will be trained. तो वो आप आराम से बैठ के training कर सकते हो. But I would really, you know, want all of you, you know, most of you who are selected, कि आप training जरूर attend करें. You know, because it's very comfortable just staying at your home. आप Zoom पे आके अपना training, you can stay in an invisible mode also if required. Yeah, तो वो बहुत सारी facilities आपको मिल रही हैं. Situation is a little difficult, but you know, let's get the best out of the situation. That's how we can just move about it. Yeah, and okay, one more thing I totally forgot to mention, that you have already you know paid a fee of 699 rupees to appear for this audition. Yeah, so that was for this audition report card. But now to be a part of this platform and to avail this lifetime membership and these training and grooming sessions, there's a fee of participation that is 4,000 rupees plus GST. Yeah, and there are no hidden charges apart from this. मतलब हम जो इतनी trainings आपको देने वाले हैं, 150 plus trainers से आपको groom करवाने वाले हैं और lifetime आपका profile यहाँ पे रहने वाला है. For that this is this minimal fee that we really need to maintain this platform. So it is 4,000 plus GST.
Oh, hello ma'am.
Yes, Srishti, tell me.
मैम ये ऑडिशन का रिजल्ट within a 48 hours.
Audition का result most probably आपके पास Monday या Tuesday तक आ जाएगा, because tomorrow is a Sunday, otherwise आप Monday को ही आपको result मिल जाता. But you will be getting it too soon. आप tension मत लीजिए, हमें आपसे ज़्यादा जल्दी है.
Yes ma'am, thank you.
Okay, all right. So yes, I guess I've made myself clear. The whole process is virtual. Virtual trainings कैसे चल रही हैं, किस तरीके के trainers हैं, क्या सिखा रहे हैं. You can totally check it out through our social media handles. We are updating everything everywhere on our. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ आपको बताया नहीं जा रहा है. We want the whole process to be very transparent. When Harry said कि आपको एक audition के लिए भी audition report हम देने वाले हैं, so this is, you know, the first step towards maintaining a transparency on this platform. We want you to be very clear कि अगर मेरा selection हुआ है तो इस basis पे हुआ है, अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्यों नहीं हुआ, उसके अंदर you know everything will be mentioned in a very positive way. तो आगे भी यही होगा. Please you have a Sunday with you. Go through our Facebook, our Instagram and our YouTube handles. Go through the videos and you know how the participants are talking about it and how the training sessions are going on. So I'm sure a lot of you know parents are there who have a problem कि आप कैसे travel करोगे, क्या करोगे. So you can just clarify to them कि 95% हमारा वर्चुअल है, बट लास्ट में अगर मैं सिटी से विनर बनती हूँ तो आई एम श्योर किसी के पेरेंट्स मना नहीं करेंगे क्राउन लेने के लिए. अगर आपको गोवा जाना पड़ रहा है या आपको जयपुर आना पड़ रहा है, सो दे विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू कम विद यू, टू अकम्पनी यू, या फॉर दैट क्राउनिंग प्रोसेस. So okay, I guess I've made myself clear. Harry, you could just wind it up if there's anything I'm missing out on. Yes, Divyani.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Divyani.
wanted to ask that my job timings are from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So the training timings will be according to that only.
Okay, so 9 to 7. After 7, it will be a little difficult, Divyani, because we have the trainings in the morning between 10 to 12. We have trainings in the afternoon between 2 to 5. And in the evening, we wind up maximum by 8 p.m. Yeah, so we can probably plan something for you during the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, so I guess let's just wait for the audition report for now. Once you, yes, tell me. Okay, so we have two options. See, on the weekends, you can take the training sessions, and you know, by any chance, if you miss something, you can go through your training session on YouTube. We are uploading all the training sessions on YouTube. We'll provide you with the links instantly. Okay. Yeah. All right.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. And thank you, ladies. Thank you for being here with us today. And, you know, like I mentioned, I am really excited. The team is really excited to see you guys join us and, of course, grow from here. 4 months down the lane, you guys are going to be on the top Google ranking. These are some of the basic benefits that each participant will be receiving. You know, top Google ranking, digital certificate of participation, shopping vouchers, no matter if you win or not. So 4 months down the lane, जब आप अपना नाम टाइप करेंगे, प्रियंका शर्मा, मनोज्ञा, you know, गरिमा सक्सेना, you will find yourself on the top because we will be creating your profile and boosting it. And this is for everybody, not just the winners. So check out the details on, you know, the platform's website and YouTube channel. I have given on the details into the chat box. Make sure you guys take a screenshot and research well. Investment से पहले research बहुत जरूरी है, like Kirti ma'am already mentioned. So, and you guys are already super smart people, you know, of today's generation. So I'm sure you're going to play smart here. So thank you so much for being here with us today. And, you know, I am really looking forward to see you guys really soon in the training session. All the best, ladies, and have a wonderful evening ahead.
Thank you, Kirti ma'am. Thank you, Harry ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks for
Okay, I'll just request